Welcome to Igorotech channel. In this video, I will show you how to disassemble Lenovo Legion laptop model. In this demo, I am using Lenovo Legion Y5 3015 inches model. Before starting to disassemble your PC, turn off the computer. If you are unsure whether the computer is off or in hibernation, turn the computer on, and then shut it down through the operating system. Disconnect the power from the computer by unplugging the power cord from the computer. Disconnect all external devices from the computer. And for disassembling laptop, you need at least one Phillips screwdriver and flexible opener or a thin plastic. Remove the 11 Phillips screws that secure the bottom cover to the computer. Then pry the cover up to remove it. Use flexible opener if needed. To replace or upgrade the memory, carefully remove the DIMM EMI shielding. Spread the two retention clips outward until the memory module tilts up at a 45-degree angle. Grasp the edge of the memory module, and then gently pull the module out of the slot. Use the same procedure to remove both memory modules. When reinstalling, insert the notched end of the DIMM into the socket. Push the DIMM firmly, and pivot it until it snaps into place. Make sure that it is firmly fixed in the slot and is difficult to move. For hard drive upgrade or replacement, remove these 4 screws. Then detach the hard disk drive connectors. Next, pull up the hard disk drive. Then remove 4 screws. Take out the metal frame. Then remove the HDD cable. For solid-state drive upgrade or replacement, remove 1 Phillips screw, and then pull the solid-state drive module from the socket. For heatsink assembly replacement or cleaning, remove the 6 Phillips screws that secure the heatsink from the board, then lift the heatsink assembly from the computer. Note, thoroughly clean the thermal material from the surface of the heatsink and its associated system board component each time the heatsink is removed. Replacement thermal material is included with the heatsink and system board spare part kits. For replacement or cleaning of the fan, remove the Phillips screws that secures the fan to the computer. Disconnect the fan cable from the system board. Then lift the fan from the computer. Note, it is a good idea to clean the fan every time you open your computer. For USB board replacement, remove these 2 screws, then disconnect ZIF connector from main board. For battery replacement, remove the 5 Phillips screws that secure the battery to the computer. Remove the connector from the main board. Then remove the battery from the computer. For wireless LAN module replacement, gently disconnect the 2 antenna cables from the module. Remove 1 Phillips screw, and then pull the module out of the socket. For speaker replacement, remove 2 Phillips screw remaining from the left speaker. Follow the speaker wires to the motherboard connector. Then unplug the speaker cable. To remove the system board, remove the remaining 6 Phillips screws that secure the system board to the computer. Make sure all cables are disconnected from the main board. Then lift the side of the system board. Slowly move up the board while checking any remaining cables or ribbons connected. To remove the touchpad button board, disconnect the system board and touchpad cable from the ZIF connector. Remove the 2 Phillips screws that secure the board to the computer. Remove the touchpad button board from the computer. For RDC or CMOS battery replacement, use a screwdriver or a plastic flat blade tool to gently pry it up. To detach the display assembly or upper case from the computer, remove 3 Phillips screws that secure the hinge on both sides. Remove the hinge cap. Then remove remaining Phillips screws that secure the hinge. To remove the bezel, starting on the bottom edge, loosen the display bezel, disconnecting the plastic clips to release the edge of the bezel. Continue on the left and right edges and then on the top edge. And to remove the integrated camera, Unplug the connector, then remove it gently because it is glued. This covers how to disassemble Lenovo Legion laptop model. Take note, for reassembly, perform the removal steps in the reverse sequence. If you have a question to ask, leave it in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer it. If you found this tutorial is helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.